Today I want to clear up a common confusion many of you have when it comes to the Etihad and Riyadh Air new video assessments, whether you should use a phone, laptop, or computer. And this is the common issues. Many candidates using their phones have reported problems like technical glitches, blank screens, or even being unable to submit the assessment, especially when doing the multiple choice questions. On the other hand, candidates using laptops or computers complain about poor camera quality when doing the questions where you are supposed to show your full body. When using a laptop or computer, there is also the issue of low sound quality and struggling to capture good lighting. Interestingly, some people said their multiple choice questions didn't work on the phone, but when they switched to a laptop, everything worked fine. Here's the good news, your phone actually works really well if you prepare it properly. I also understand that not everyone owns a laptop or computer, so don't worry. With the right setup, you can confidently complete your assessment using just your phone, regardless of the model or year. Here's the guide to make your phone work smoothly. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode, that is the DND. On iPhone, go to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb and activate it. On Android, swipe down your notification panel, tap Do Not Disturb, and customize so no calls or notifications come through. The other option, and this is my favorite, use Digital Well-being, that is the screen time settings. 100% of the applicants who I guided them on this setting, they successfully managed to do the assessment on their phone. On your device, go to Settings, then scroll down to the Digital Well-being and Parental Controls, then on App Timers, add all your apps except Camera, Chrome, Mail, and Gallery to your daily limit. Set the timer to 0 so those apps can't disturb you during the assessment. This prevents pop-ups and distractions. The last option is Airplane mode. That is only if you're on Wi-Fi. If your phone supports Wi-Fi while in airplane mode, turn it on. This ensures no calls or SMS sneak in, especially on older phone models where DND doesn't fully block calls. Now if you own a high-quality laptop or desktop with a crystal clear camera, strong audio quality, and good lighting, then yes, go ahead and use it. But if your laptop has a poor camera or sound, it may affect your performance. In that case, follow the phone setup guide I just gave and use your phone. I know the AR applicants who their phone still works well even without setting up all these tips, but still, you never know if you will be the one to experience these issues. And by the way, not to be disrespectful, but if you experience technical issues with your device, that doesn't mean you should tell other applicants not to use the phone. Same case to applicants who get hired with Beard. If it worked for you, it doesn't mean it will work for everyone. And opposite, that is, if it didn't work for you, it does not mean it won't work for others too. I appreciate your concern, I completely understand it's from the point of help, but try not to mislead other applicants with wrong information. Before I wrap this up, I want you to know I have created full videos breaking down the Riyadh Air and Etihad cabin crew new online assessment. Trust me, you don't want to miss those because that's exactly where most applicants are stuck. Watching them will give you the edge you need. So check them out right after this video and make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any more insider tips. We will get this assessment successfully submitted together. So the bottom line is, your phone can be just as reliable as a laptop or computer if you prepare it the right way. Don't let technical worries stop you from doing well. Focus on being confident, professional, and prepared. And guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching to the very end.